I want to thank Baker's Signature Store for sending me these parchment paper sheets in exchange for a review. Today I'm using these parchment sheets to make chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. And they've made my baking experience so much easier. These pre-cut 12 by 16 inch sheets are non-stick and they don't curl, burn, or tear, even at high temps up to 450 Fahrenheit. Perfect for all your baking needs. Plus, they're chlorine-free and made from unbleached wood pulp. So they're a healthier option for your kitchen. Unlike foil, nothing sticks to these sheets, and you don't need oil or spray. They are single use but super convenient, and they come in a handy box, so no more struggling with rolls. Definitely a baking game changer. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos, and also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.